These two just had a boom boom.
Really? Aren't you a fucking idiot?
I don't have to ask anybody anything.
Hey!
I don't have to tell anybody anything.
Going.
I hope he's turning.
Nice.
Oh my God!
You want me to go out and tell you how far you got?
I ain't got far, but sure.
I mean,
It's gonna take.
I'd hit that motherfucker behind you just as many times I hit the motherfucker in front of you.
What do I got?
About 5 inches. Go. You're on it. Take all that shit.
Alright, how much is scraped on that guy's and how much is scraped on his?